What's good, fam? Welcome back to Tito's Kitchen. Today, I got a sweet one for you, baby. We about to bake some Patti LaBelle-style Buttermilk Pie. If you never heard of it, or if you never tried it before, you're in for a treat. Man, follow me, we're gonna take this step by step. It's a cinch to make, and you'll be happy you did it. Let's do it. Okay, so check this out. The other day I was in Walmart and I happened to pass by the bakery section and I saw the Patti LaBelle display, you know, the sweet potato pies and stuff like that. I was like, yeah, you know, we all know Patti LaBelle do her thing. So I saw this one box that said Patti LaBelle Buttermilk Pie. I said, buttermilk pie. It was something about that was like, yo, get me. So I was like, you know what, let me try this out. Boom, I got it, you know, took it home and sliced it up and the family went crazy. I mean, everybody took a bite, it was boom, it was gone in minutes, seconds, I should say. So I went back the next day, I went in there, you know, I'm going over there to the little area, I'm all hyped and ready to get my little pie. And you know what? They all gone. I was like, dang. Man, I even went up, and I don't even do this, I went up to the lady in the back in the bakery. I said, excuse me, ma'am, y'all got any more of them Patti LaBelle buttermilk pies? She was like, hold on, let me check. Let me go in the back and check. She went back there. I'm like, okay, hopefully they got one to the back. Came back out. Sorry, baby, we don't got no more. I said, dang. I was kind of upset because I had my mouth ready for it. You know how when you got the taste for something and you ready to, man. And my wife was with me this time. She was like, babe, why don't you just make one yourself? I said, you know what? That's an outstanding idea. That's why I love you, girl. Anyway, most of the ingredients I already had at the crib already, so I snatched a couple things. I brought it back, so here we are right now. So this is my first time whipping this up, so you can follow along with me, and we can be doing this for the first time, and let's see how it come out. You ready? Let's do it. All right, fam, so we finished this last night. I let it cool overnight so it can solidify and get all nice and, you know, draw all the flavors in. So it's our time. As you see, it's nice, has a nice brown crust on top. And when we slice it, it's gonna have a different texture underneath. And this is gonna be a beautiful thing right here. So I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to, you know, slice this thing up. You ready? Well, here we go, let's see. The moment of truth. Okay, right down the middle. All right. It's a nice little, you know, see the textured layers in there. So pretty much what we have here, if you look at the top of this, right here is the caramelized sugar right on the top of it. And right here is the base. I mean, it might not be the prettiest slice ever cut before, but you know, the real part is what it tastes like, you know what I'm saying? Yes, I'm using a paper plate, but we gonna see what it do about. Put that right here for now. All right, so I'm gonna take a bite and see what it's all about, all right? See what this thing all about. I mean, I'm loving the crust, you know, the crusty sugariness on the top. Let's see. Folks, if you follow along with me, if you followed along with me, did this recipe step by step, I mean, you should be enjoying this right now too. Is this legal? Yeah. This made my day and the day just started. I don't know what else to tell y'all. I'm about to enjoy this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna have to hide the rest of this, because they coming.